Hello, I am Dharam. The question is, the measurement of a luggage box are 48 cm, 36 cm and 28 cm. Find the volume of the box. How many square centimeter of cloth is required to make a cover for the box? Solution. Given the length A is equals to 48, breadth B is equals to 36 and height C is equals to 28 centimeters. Therefore, the required volume is given by volume of a cuboid is A into B into C by the formula of volume of cuboid. On substituting the values of A, B and C respectively, we get 48 into 36 into 28 centimeters cube, which is equals to 48384 centimeter cube. Now we are required to find out the quantity of cloth. So the quantity of cloth required to make the cover of the box is nothing but the total surface area of the box, total surface area of the box, and we know that the surface area of a cuboid is given by the formula 2 times AB plus BC plus CA, where A, B and C are the respective X, Y and Z dimensions of a cuboid. Therefore, on substituting the values of A, B and C respectively, we get 2 times, in whole bracket we can say 48 into 36 plus 36 into 28 plus 28 into 48 centimeter square, which is 2 into 48. If we take outside, we get 1 into 36 plus 3 into 7 plus 28 into 1, which on simplification gives 96 into 85, that is 8160 centimeter square. Thank you. Hello, I am Dharam. The question is, if the volume of a cube is 27, find the surface area. Solution. Since we know that the volume of a cube is equals to cube of its length, therefore we can say that L cube is 27. Therefore, on taking cube root of L cube, we get the length L as 3. Now we know that the surface area of a cube is 6L square. On substituting the value of L, we get 6 into 3 square, which on simplification gives 6 into 9 as 54 square units. Therefore, the required surface area of cube is 64 square units. Thank you. Hello, I am Dharam. The question is, if the lateral area of a right circular cylinder is 24 pi and its radius is 2, what is its height? Solution. Since we know that the lateral area of a right circular cylinder is given by 2 pi r h, where r is the radius and h is the height. Now in question it is given to us that the radius r is equals to 2. Also we are given that the lateral area is equals to 24 pi. Therefore, on equating we can say 24 pi is equals to 4 pi h. Therefore, the value of height h turns out to be 6 units. Thank you. Hello, I am Dharam. The question is, find the total surface area of right circular cylinder with a radius of 10 units and a height of 5 units. Solution. Since we know that the total surface area of a right circular cylinder is given by the relationship 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square, where r is the radius of the base and h is the height. Now in the question we are given that r is equals to 10 and h is equals to 5. Therefore, on substituting the values we get total surface area as 100 pi plus 200 pi, or we can say 300 pi. Answer. Thank you. Hello, I am Dharam. The question is, what is the radius of the right circular cylinder with volume 80 pi cubic units and height equals to 2? Solution. Since we know that the volume of right circular cylinder is given as pi r square h, where r is the radius of the base and h is the height. In the question we are given that the volume V is equals to 18 pi and height h is equals to 2. Therefore, on equating we can say 18 pi is equals to pi r square, h equals to 2 substitute. So we get the value of r square as 9. Therefore, we can say that the required radius r is equals to 3 units. Thank you.